Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to upload folders in Google Drive. So a folder, it can hold one or more files and it can also hold other folders. Now to learn in more details, you can come back here later. So this is how we are going to implement this video. Now let's get started. So now I am at my desktop. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click a new folder called the cloud and hit enter. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to move this file, the Google file.txt, into this folder. So now this folder has a file which has some text inside it. Okay. So what we are going to do is we will be uploading this folder on the Google Drive. So over here I have opened my Google Chrome. So what I need to do is I need to click on the Google Apps and then click on Drive. Now the prerequisite for this video is you need to have a Gmail account already created to be able to log into your Google Drive. So if you haven't created the account yet, you can watch our video on how to create a Gmail account. Assuming that you have created your Gmail account, we are moving forward. So now you can click on new and then you can click on folder upload to upload a folder. Then click on the desktop. As our folder was on the desktop, then select cloud and click on upload. Now it is asking for our confirmation, then we have to click on upload. Now it is starting to upload it. Now the upload is complete. Now let's check cloud. It has a file called the Google file.txt, and if you open it, yes, we have the text. So this is how we can upload a folder. Another way is you can just simply right click over here and then click on upload folder. Then you can just simply go to your desktop and select the folder again and click on upload. So if you click on upload, now it is saying update existing. So now if you want to replace the folder we uploaded earlier, you can click on click on the keep separate. So that will do that will create a separate folder. So another way is you can just simply drag the folder and drop it on the Google Drive. Now if you click on keep separate, if you maximize it, now it is uploading the folder. So this is 3 ways you can upload a folder in Google Drive. So now let's have a look at the summary. So in this video, we have learned how to upload folders in Google Drive. Thank you for watching.